everyone. Today I'm going to share be yourself and don't give up. So first of all, let's see how to be yourself, right? So everybody says be yourself, be yourself. But I think you can only be truly yourself if you truly aware of who you truly are. And how you can come to know who you truly are, you need to go ahead and spend time with yourself. Then only you can know who you truly are, right? Like suppose you want to fall in love with someone. You cannot fall in love with someone if you don't know who they truly are, what they truly like, what they don't like, right? In same way, if you don't know who you truly are, how can you be truly who you actually are, right? So to be yourself, it's very important to spend time with yourself, all right? And it's very important to know yourself in and out, what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are. And it's very important for us to focus on our strength and not on our weakness. And also we should ignore the noise. That's what I have learned in my journey, and listen to your own soul, what your soul is saying you to do, and do that thing whatever makes you happy. All right, so your soul knows all the answers. And also I have realized in my journey that sometimes, I'm not saying about everyone, all right, but also I have realized in my journey that not everyone has good intentions for you, and not everyone is your friend. And sometimes when you give your power to someone else, people misinform you as well, or people try to control you or manipulate you, right? Also I have learned that if you're a fully self-aware person, people cannot manipulate with you and people cannot play games, and sometimes that pisses people off actually. All right, so yeah, so this is not for everyone, all right? So yeah, so how, that's what I have realized, okay? And also like you have to focus on your strength, right? That what is your strength? Maybe you're funny, so be funny. Maybe you love fashion, so show your fashion sense, all right? Maybe you love makeup, so show your great makeup skills, all right? That means being your truly self, all right? Because sometimes when we listen to other, we actually lose ourselves, who we actually are, right? That's also I have learned in my journey. Right? So like if you are following any mentor, or even if you are following me as well, use your own mind too. Don't just follow someone blindly as well. That's also I have learned in my journey. And being truly yourself means being truly you. Like if you love fashion, it should show in everything that you love fashion, right? And if you love makeup, it should show that you love makeup, right? And or if you're funny, then be funny, okay? And if you're serious, be serious. Okay, so it's not that if you're not funny you have to be funny. If you're funny, then be funny. Okay, if you're not funny, you're a serious person, then be serious, all right? Because people love authenticity and people love as you are, all right? We don't have to be someone else. So people like you as you are, all right? Like so that's what I want to say, that be yourself. Also never give up, all right? So nobody, like whatever you want to be, maybe you want to be best YouTuber, or you want to be top entrepreneur, top bodybuilder, top singer, top dancer, top sales coach, or top relationship coach, whatever you want to be, it takes a lot of time, all right? So we see on social media, especially young people, I think, if they are 21 and 22, right, like the people are only talking about success, but if you look at anybody's life is a roller coaster. Anybody who go up, then you go down to learn some lessons, all right? And if you are in that down period, it's important for us to learn those lessons so that we can again go back up, all right? And then I think you go like I have learned in my life, like the more you go down, the more you go up as well. All right, because if you learn the lessons, it's not I'm not saying that you go into valley or something, right? And but yeah, like if you learn all the lesson, and if you don't give up on yourself, and if you have the courage, right, and if you try to learn, and if you see challenges as an opportunity and you work on yourself and you grow in that particular time, then you are going to go higher. All right, so that's why challenges come in your life, so that you can work on yourself and you can go ahead and be best version of yourself. And I learned from Oprah Winfrey, opportunity is uh, opportunity is preparation in private, something like that she said. uh, yeah, luck is preparation meeting opportunity. Yeah, yeah, luck is preparation meeting right opportunity. So I think, like when you work on yourself, then I think God prepare us for something big in our life. So I don't remember the exact quote I wrote long time back. So that's what I want to say, that that luck is God preparing you for your opportunity. All right. So luck is preparation for opportunity. Yeah, this is the one. Luck is preparation for opportunity, right? So everybody thinks that, if you're successful, you're lucky. So nobody sees how much hard work you have done in private, right? So that's why it's very, very important to never give up. Whatever you're doing, stay consistent and keep on doing that thing. All right, have a wonderful and blessed day ahead, everyone. If you're facing any challenge or you want to book a session, DM me or go to our website. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye. In case you guys face any issue, write an email to me, or you guys can DM us. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.